When it comes to positive affirmations, I haven't always been a believer. I've always appreciated the power of words. Don't get me wrong. But the idea that just saying something over and over to yourself could make any difference sent my bullshit meter into overdrive. I mean, come on. And you know what? I still think that idea is a little far-fetched. But I am a huge believer that the words you say to yourself can greatly impact how you feel. And how you feel can impact how you show up in the world. Which, big or small, makes a difference out there in the world. This is how I explain the law of attraction, which is such a big trending topic right now, at least in the entrepreneur circles I'm in these days. It's the idea that if you want to attract something, whether it's a spouse or $1 million, you have to act like you've already got it. The more you believe it's coming, the more likely it is to come. Regarding positive affirmations, I haven't always been a believer. I've always appreciated the power of words. Don't get me wrong, but the idea that just saying something over and over to yourself could make any difference sent my bullshit meter into overdrive. I mean, come on. And you know what? I still think that idea is a little far-fetched. But I am a huge believer that the words you say to yourself can make a big impact on how you feel. And how you feel can impact how you show up in the world. Which, big or small, makes a difference out there in the world. This is how I explain the law of attraction, which is such a big trending topic right now, at least in the entrepreneur circles I'm in these days. It's the idea that if you want to attract something, whether it's a spouse or $1 million, you have to act like you've already got it. The more you believe it's coming, the more likely it is to come. We need new policies that level the playing field so that we can all manifest what we desire with equal effort. We need new policies, more social support, and a paradigm shift to get there. But in the meantime, here are some lovely affirmations to help support you. I am calm, peaceful, and relaxed. I am exactly where I need to be at this moment. I am worthy. I am love. Self-care is health-care. I offer compassion to those around me and to myself. I treat myself with the same kindness and compassion as anyone else I love. I have enough. I know enough. I am enough. I am whole. I take care of myself because I love myself. I am choosing to be kind to myself today. I am mindful. I trust myself. I am strong. I can do hard things. I am capable. There are no limits to what I can achieve. I am learning, growing, and becoming better every moment. I am focused, clear, and precise. I make good decisions for myself and my family. I am capable of great things. I ask for what I need. I am safe. I am healthy. All is well. I am capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. My intuition guides me. I am always supported by something bigger than myself. My breath carries me through even the most challenging times. Healthy stress helps me focus on my goals. Unhealthy stress rolls right off my back. Every breath is a new beginning. I don't let repetitive thoughts overshadow the present moment. Out of this experience, only good will come. I have everything I need. Abundance flows to me easily. I love money, and money loves me. I attract great things by simply focusing my energy on the good things in life. I am filled with gratitude for this moment. I attract good things into my life. I am a magnet for fun, joy, and abundance. I accept help from others. Gratitude is my attitude. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am a present. I am happy. Happiness is my birthright. I am showing up as the best version of myself today. I see beauty everywhere I look. I'm choosing fun, playfulness, and joy right now. I am connected. I make time to do the things that inspire me. My self-expression is a divine expression of God. Practice and all is coming. It is well with my soul. I am softening my muscles. I'm breathing deeply. I trust my body. My body feels at ease. My mind feels at peace. I am releasing all things in my body that do not serve me. I move with integrity and intention. My breath carries me from one pose to the next, one moment to the next. I allow every yoga posture to teach me more about myself. I am balanced physically, mentally, and emotionally. I connect my body, mind, and spirit. I have infinite wisdom in my body. My only goal is to get to know myself more. I honor my body today and practice listening and responding to what it needs. I relax, knowing that I am completely supported. I can release tension, repetitive thoughts, and all else that is not serving me right now. Each breath brings me closer to myself. I permit myself to slow down. My breath soothes me and helps me relax. I am my best self when I am relaxed and rejuvenated. Relaxation is productive. I take care of myself because I love myself. I'm calm, peaceful, and relaxed. You can do anything, but you can't do everything. Choose wisely. It is well with my soul. As I inhale, I am filled with love and light. As I exhale, I make room for more good. I radiate my light out into the world. I am well rested. My body is powerful. I am excited about this day. I am so grateful to be alive. I love myself. I'm going to have a great day. I am open to opportunities. Today and every day, I'm blessed. My life is abundant and fulfilling. I am committed to my personal growth. Every day, I am better than before. No challenge is too great for me. I am energized. I wake each morning with a smile. I feel so alive. I am strong. I am capable of overcoming anything. I am resilient. I always overcome obstacles. Nothing can stand in my way. I can get through hardship. I believe in myself. I am a wonderful person. My confidence and self-esteem are high. I know my worth. I love who I am. The people in my life love and support me. I am deserving of what I desire, and I will achieve it. I radiate confidence. I make decisions that support my highest good. I am courageous. I learn and grow through difficulty. I always pick myself back up. I am powerful. I will press on and go forward. I release what no longer serves me. I am adaptable. One of the beautiful things about affirmations is they're super easy to work with, and you can choose ones that speak to you, whether you found them on a list or you made them up yourself. To that end, it's important to opt for affirmations that resonate with you and the person you want to be. For example, if you're looking to find your soulmate, and the affirmation, "My soulmate is coming to me right now," isn't exactly resonating, you could change it to, "I am full of and worthy of abundant love now." So you massage the affirmation into a vibration that feels good and can be true right now. And speaking of, well, speaking, it can be incredibly empowering to say your affirmations out loud to the universe whenever you think of them. Kaiser recommends writing them down on sticky notes and placing them where you'll see them throughout the day, on your desk or mirror, as a helpful reminder. From there, we'll go back to Louise Hay's previous point about pairing your affirmations with self-reflection and actionable steps. After all, you can say, "I am wealthy" all you want, but without reflecting on your relationship with money or taking steps to improve your financial wellness, not much is going to change. The point of affirmations isn't to magically cast a spell on your life, but rather to start shifting you into a more positive mindset so you're better able to take aligned steps toward what you're seeking.